As indicated by our VELO cost forecast, the cost of VELO especially is anticipated to increment by $0.000128 over the course of the following 7 days, coming to $0.002629 by October 2, 2023. On the off chance that you are looking for VELO market estimate, examination or cost expectation, you presumably really need to especially know where the cost of VELO may commonly go later on amazingly. Our cost forecasts utilize different machine-based calculations to sort of attempt and fundamentally anticipate future cost developments, which sort of is very huge. This cost forecast generally is pointed toward noting the vast majority of sort of your inquiries, which is very critical. Will VELO recover its all-time high? What will VELO be worth 1 month from now? Is presently the ideal opportunity to purchase VELO certainly? Is VELO presently giving bullish or negative indications, which generally is very critical? In this VELO cost expectation conjecture, we will process different VELO specialized markers to anticipate the cost of VELO by and large. VELO value forecasts throughout recent days. VELO has been giving negative indications, as the coin especially dropped 3.88%. Because of this, we truly expect a slight recuperation inside the truly 1 week from now, as financial backers make the most of this plunge as a valuable chance to generally purchase VELO. Underneath you can see the VELO hourly, day-to-day, week-after-week and month-to-month cost forecasts. These expectations mean to fundamentally provide you with a sign of what VELO will in every way that really matters, be somewhat worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, throughout the following week, and essentially 1 month from now. VELO, verifiable cost in market investigation. The sort of current cost of VELO generally is $0.002502, and it in a real sense is as of now positioned number 580 out of all digital forms of money, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. How much stock right now available for use for VELO is 7,390,475,595, within in every practical sense, complete market capitalization of $18,405,456. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of VELO certainly has diminished by 0.95%. VELO certainly struggles with picking up speed over the sort of beyond 7 days, down 3.88%. VELO is giving negative indications this week. This moment could be a decent opportunity to contribute in the event that you truly are considering purchasing VELO. Inside the very most recent 30 days, the cost of VELO expanded by 15.68%, adding $0.000339 to its past worth of $0.002163, and pushing the market capitalization to $18,405,456 in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming you in every practical sense are considering purchasing VELO today, you ought to hold on until another bear market to put resources into VELO. The cost of VELO has dropped by 27.04% over the most recent 3 months, killing $0.000927 from its past worth of $0.003429. Our VELO market estimates are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations which really dissect different specialized pointers, for example, the overall strength file, RSI, moving commonly normal union difference, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Groups, BB. The crypto market most certainly is known to be profoundly unpredictable. Foreseeing future sticker costs of VELO in a real sense is a troublesome errand, and really numerous different elements impact the cost. Thus, the expectations on our site ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you ought to do your own personal examination. Counsel your monetary consultant prior to pursuing any venture choices amazingly. VELO, Value Forecast 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that VELO will truly accomplish a most extreme cost of $0.004503 as the market begins to recuperate, which is very huge. The base expected cost is $0.003002, and the typical cost will float around $0.003753, which is very critical. VELO, Value Expectation 2024. As VELO keeps on arriving at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, VELO can accomplish an extremely greatest cost of $0.007005, while the typical cost for the year will by and large remain around $0.006254. In the event that a bear market shows up, the base value VELO can reach in 2024 is $0.005504. Incredibly, VELO, Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we anticipate that VELO should basically see noteworthy development as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Thus, the cost could generally reach as high as $0.009507, averaging around $0.008756, or so they thought. VELO could explicitly see a base cost of $0.008006 in a significant manner. VELO, Value Expectation 2026. With the preceded with development of pretty capital in the crypto market, VELO could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.012008 in 2026, with a typical cost of $0.011258. In the event that an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast in a real sense sits at $0.010507. VELO, Value Forecast 2027. Considering the reception of VELO by nations all over the planet, VELO can guarantee a by and large most extreme cost of $0.014451 by 2027, with a typical cost of $0.013759 anticipated in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could see $0.013009. VELO, Value Expectation 2028. In the year 2028, VELO reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto is setting down deep roots, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Financial backers could see VELO arriving at a greatest cost of $0.017012 by 2028, certainly followed by a base cost of $0.015511. The typical cost for 2028 is supposed to explicitly be $0.016261. VELO, Value Forecast 2029. Of every 2029, because of the development throughout the course of recent years, we will especially see another really significant bull, and that implies that VELO financial backers may explicitly see VELO accomplish a greatest cost of $0.019513, followed by a normal cost of $0.018763. The base cost got from our specialized investigation especially is $0.018012. VELO, Value Expectation 2030. For the year 2030, VELO truly is supposed to generally keep on energizing towards $0.022015 in light of market feeling. Neglecting to acquire this help could sort of see VELO really normal around $0.021265 and base out $0.020514 in an unpretentious manner. VELO, Value Expectation 2031. This year will be one to in a real sense recollect for VELO. In 2031, we truly expect that VELO will come to another at of $0.024517. The new essentially least cost of VELO could be $0.023016, which is genuinely huge. The most dire outcome imaginable certainly is that VELO closes 2031 at $0.023766 in a huge manner. What is the VELO cost today? Today, VELO is presently exchanging at